So here we are going to demonstrate about electric vehicle. So the major components of our project are controller over here. So this is the main controller, which is 48 volts and 1000 watts controller. And whereas the motor here you can see is an BLDC motor connected with a differential, and there is a leaf spring suspension over there, and there is a steering, accelerator and brake pad over here, and there is an meter, so you can turn it on and it shows the speed value, and the battery level also over here. And there are two headlights over here and two indicators at the back end, like left, right. So these helps the system to move the vehicle forward and backward. So there is an reverse switch over here. So when you give an acceleration, it moves forward. So when you press, you have to press the button and turn it off and turn it on and leave it, it moves backward. Okay, so like this it moves. Again you have to off and on, off and on, so it moves forward direction. So like this it moves forward backward. So this is how we are going to demonstrate the electric vehicle. So this can pull over on the slant surfaces also. So this is how we are going to demonstrate the electric vehicle. So this is how we are going to demonstrate the vehicle. ఫ్లైట్ మనోడు ముందే తెల్లగా ఉంటాడు, తెల్లగా
ఫ్లాష్ ఆన్ చేసుకొని దానిపైన స్టీరింగ్ పైన పెట్టుకో. స్టీరింగ్ పైన మంచి పెట్టుకోరు లైట్
ఇండికేటర్ ఆన్ చేయి. సో దెర్ ఆర్ రైట్ ఇండికేటర్ అండ్ రైట్. Thank you.